G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. We are her crew, Michelle, Katran, Fleur and Anouk. Join us as we continue our journey to get to know and fall in love with our new Contest 36 named Empress. Be part of our adventure. We hope you enjoy our videos. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment, and don't forget to leave a like.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Empress Sailing. We're currently in Le Havre, where we're staying. We're staying here for a little bit longer just to catch up on some rest and some work and just get back into the swing of day to day. In this episode we explore Boulonge sur Mer. The girls do some crab fishing in the marina. The Shell and the girls go to the aquarium. After that we sail to Dieppe from Boulonge. In Dieppe we fixed the fridge which broke down in Boulonge, and we explore Dieppe Castle. Right, enjoy.
I don't want to see seagulls!
I think tide's out, Michelle. To climb down to our boat.
Let me get my climbing gear out.
Yeah.
Woo. Okay, buddy. But can we just still have him? Yeah, we can still have him. We can catch him while Mummy's not filming him.
He's pretending he's dead.
No, he's not. Look. Come on. Me. He won't use his other leg. Yes. Okay. Do you want to pick him up, Nook? Again?
Yeah, and leave that net. Give the net a rest.
Don't push him down too hard so you guys. Come on.
Take a Nook.
Nook.
Anouk. So where are we, Fleur?
We're in the aquarium. Whoa, there's this big fish up there.
Yeah.
And then the manta ray just like came across. So, is there an even bigger tunnel? No, this is like the biggest tunnel.
We made it out of port, so we left Boulonge, we're on our way to Dieppe. Should take about 8 hours. It was a very rolly start. There's the waves, the swell coming in from the west, which is makes the port of lead shore was rebounding on the breakwater walls. It was double crossing the swell that was coming in. It was like a bit like a roller coaster getting out, but now it's good. Still a big swell at a meter average, so big every now and then a bit bigger roller. But we're sailing. After a spot of motoring, we've got some wind again. We've got about 10 knots, and then the boat seems to be doing it pretty well on 10 knots. So we turned the motor back off, and we're sailing again. The swell's sorted itself out, it's flattened a bit, so we're pretty comfortable now actually. So what did you do now? Oh, you chopped the cucumber all by yourself, well done. So I just spotted these fishing nets right in our course, so go around the field. I'm not sure if I can go around it or not. If you know, let me know in the comments. We're 2 miles out from Dieppe, and it's getting busy again here with boats. I haven't seen boats for a while, but some dredging going on, fishing boats going out, big fishing boat coming in. Yeah, almost there. Now about to enter the port of Dieppe. Woohoo! Another one, thick limestone, I think.
You guys could go skateboarding here.
I know.
What? Our fridge is broken, and we've ordered a new one on the internet. So, hooky flick. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Just got this ordered at SVB. They're the only ones that actually could ship to France. George Knies wasn't willing to because they had too much bad experiences. So I ordered it at SVB, and it was a good price. And they for 90 euros got express delivered within a day to Dieppe, where we are now. So let's have a look. Box is a bit wet because it's a rainy day today. Lots of paper. And that is in the box. Another box.
A box in a box.
Yep. A box in the box.
Like we've got all the space in the world.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah.
So this is the same fridge we have already in the boat. The old one is 20 years old, so I didn't want to try to fix it for a few hundred euros. I thought for 600 I'll buy a new fridge. So we got a new fridge. The only thing I need to do is pull the old one out and put the new one in. Cool. Wallpaper.
Wow, that's loads.
This is our the new evaporator. You put in the fridge box, that makes the fridge cold. Gas goes in, liquid gas goes in here, or liquid refrigerant goes in here and then turns into gas. And by evaporates it, by turning into gas, it absorbs all the heat. That's a new one. Perfect. It's exactly the same as the old one, so it should not be a problem changing it over. This has got the quick connect coupling, so I don't have to solder anything. I can screw it together. The system should be charged already, so it's a matter of mounting it and I think we're rolling about 10 degrees at the moment. Mounting it and turning it on. And the other thing is the compressor unit for the new thermostat, the wiring, how to do it. Hey, mounting bracket, I haven't seen this one. Interesting.
Another one.
And that's the new compressor. So it's exactly the same as the old one. Well, the old one was all rusty and well, the unit as well. It's 20 years old, so time for a new replacement.
Ja, hup in.
It's over in the harbour at the moment, and I've put the stove back to gimbaling because it's rocking all over the place. Feeling slightly seasick. This is lots of fun, isn't it, Shell? I feel like the whole boat's getting pulled apart by the load on the lines. I just put an extra line on just to slow it down a little bit, but it's absolutely ridiculous. After a very wobbly night, I couldn't sleep in. It's finally quieted down a little bit now. The boat stopped rolling like an idiot. And I put myself to changing the fridge over. So I'm just busy taking the old unit out. As you can see, it's fairly rusted. That's why I didn't want to bother with it. Trying to get it fixed. It's top as well. I've uncoupled the thing. That's the hole where the cooling hose goes through. And yeah, just taking this wooden frame out. I've got a nice new mounting frame for it, which I will use. And then this thing is permanently mounted on here anyway, so time to get on with it. Feeding through the new cooling pipe. So this is the new one. It's got this quick connect, so I don't have to solder anything. It's pretty handy. Yeah, I'll push that through now from the other side. And let's see if I can mount it. With a bit of blood, sweat and tears, I've got the new evaporator in. I've run this thermostat line and the thermostat wire. So I can now hook up the power and clean it all up downstairs on the other side. And we can try it on, turn it on and see if it works. Happy days. So the unit is running, I've just turned it on. I did connect the, should have connected the capillary first before I connect the main line. We'll see how it goes. I might have stuffed it and maybe it works. Let's see. Next week we will be sailing to Le Havre, where we are at the moment, and we will show you our time here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and always leave a comment. We love to read them. Thanks. See you. Bye bye.